In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Gemini response to Gmail on your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a reply from your Gemini chat and get it into an email with just a few taps. First, open the Gemini app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed in and that the app is up to date so the options look the way you expect. Once the app is open, look to the top left of the screen for the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, and tap it. This helps you navigate to your conversations and start fresh if you need to. From here, either start a new chat or open an existing one. If you're already in the middle of a conversation, just select it from your list. If you're starting new, begin the chat as you normally would. What matters is that you locate the specific response you want to export. Scroll through the conversation and find the exact message or answer that you want to send via email. When you see it, tap the response to open it. This makes sure you're working with the full content of that message. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of that opened response. On the bottom right, look for the three dots icon. This is the More Options menu, and it's where you'll find the export tools you need. Tap the three dots, then choose Export or Draft in Gmail. Depending on your version of the app, you might see slightly different wording, but the idea is the same. Gemini will hand off that response to Gmail, so you don't have to copy and paste. Your iPhone will open Gmail with a new draft, and the Gemini response will already be placed in the body of the email. If you're asked which account to use, just pick the Gmail account you want for this message. Take a moment to review the draft. Add the recipient's email address, write a clear subject line, and include any context your recipient needs so the message makes sense on its own. You can tidy up the formatting, remove anything you don't need, and double check that there's no sensitive information you didn't intend to share. When everything looks good, tap Send. That's it. You've exported a Gemini response straight into Gmail on your iPhone, keeping your workflow smooth and your message accurate. If this process helps you work faster, consider using it whenever you want to share insights, save answers for later, or collaborate with your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.